10 easy posture exercises for seniors 60 plus. Stand tall again in just minutes a day. Have you ever caught a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and thought, when did I start leaning forward? It happens slowly. One day your shoulders roll a little, your back feels tight, and before you know it, standing tall feels like a memory from the past. But what if I told you that in just a few minutes a day, you can retrain your body to stand tall again? Yes, no expensive equipment, no gym membership, just 10 simple exercises that strengthen, stretch, and restore your natural posture. Because here's the truth, it's never too late to stand tall again. Welcome to today's video, 10 easy posture exercises for seniors 60 plus. If you want to feel confident, reduce back pain, and move with balance and grace again, stay with me till the end. You're going to love how simple and effective these movements are. Let's begin. 1. The wall angel. Relearn to align. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Press your heels, hips, upper back, and head gently against it. Now raise your arms to form a goalpost shape. Elbows bent at 90 degrees, palms facing forward. Slowly slide your arms upward like you're making a snow angel, then bring them back down. Do this 10 times, breathing naturally. Feel how your shoulder blades glide and your upper back activates. This exercise teaches your body how proper alignment feels. Shoulders back, chest open, and spine tall. A few reps a day can do wonders for stiff shoulders and rounded posture. 2. The chin tuck, the secret to a strong neck. Forward head posture is one of the most common signs of aging, but it's also one of the easiest to fix. Sit or stand tall. Gently pull your chin straight back, as if you're trying to make a double chin. Hold for 3 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 times. Don't tilt your head up or down, just pull it straight back. This tiny movement strengthens the deep neck muscles that support your head and helps realign it over your spine. Within days, you'll notice your neck feels lighter and your head sits taller. 3. Shoulder blade squeeze, the posture reset button. If you spend a lot of time sitting, this is your best friend. Sit or stand tall and gently squeeze your shoulder blades together. Imagine you're trying to hold a pencil between them. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. Do this 10 times. This activates your upper back and counteracts the rounded, hunched posture many people develop. Over time, it helps you naturally keep your chest lifted and shoulders open. No slouching required. 4. Cat-cow stretch, the spine awakener. Let's bring some gentle movement into your spine. If you're able to get down on all fours, great. If not, you can do this while sitting in a sturdy chair. Take a deep breath in, arch your back slightly, and lift your chest. This is the cow. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin slightly. This is the cat. Move slowly between these two positions 10 times. This rhythmic motion lubricates your spine, reduces stiffness, and reminds your body how to move fluidly again. It's not just exercise, it's a beautiful stretch that reconnects you to your breath and posture. 5. The chest opener, undoing years of slouching. Stand tall and clasp your hands behind your back. Gently straighten your arms and lift your chest forward and upward. Hold for 20 seconds, breathing deeply. If clasping your hands is uncomfortable, you can use a towel or resistance band between your hands. This simple stretch counteracts years of forward rounding from reading, phone use, or sitting. You'll feel your chest open, your shoulders drop, and your breath deepen. This exercise literally expands your confidence. It makes you feel taller instantly. 6. The standing back extension, posture and pain relief. If you've ever felt that dull ache in your lower back after standing or walking for long periods, this one's for you. Place your hands on your lower back for support. Gently lean backward, looking slightly upward, and hold for 5 seconds. Return to neutral. Repeat 5-10 times. This move decompresses your spine, improves circulation, and reminds your lower back to support you correctly. Done daily, it helps reduce that stooped feeling many people develop with age. 7. Seated side stretch, balance, and mobility. Sit tall in a sturdy chair, feet flat on the ground. Place one hand on your thigh and reach your other arm overhead, leaning gently to the opposite side. Hold for 15-20 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch loosens your rib cage and sides, allowing you to breathe deeper and move more freely. When your body can bend and twist comfortably, your posture naturally improves, because stiffness is what leads to slouching. 8. Wall plank, the core awakener. Good posture starts with a strong core. But that doesn't mean crunches or sit-ups. Stand facing a wall, place your forearms on it at shoulder height, and